Hey there, and welcome back to your training series as an Apprentice Lighting Technician. Today's topic is lamps and ballasts. Now, this might sound technical, but don't worry. We're going to walk through it step by step. Whether you've never heard of the word ballast before, or you're still trying to figure out how different lamps work, you're in the right place. The truth is, lighting systems aren't all the same. There are different types of lamps, and there are different devices that control those lamps, called ballasts or drivers. This lesson exists to help you recognize, compare, and choose the right lamp and ballast combination for the job. It also helps you understand that lighting isn't just about plugging something in and getting light. It's about using the right technology for the right space and meeting the customer's specific needs. And here's the big idea to remember. There's no one size fits all when it comes to lighting and the four major families of lighting. There are four major families of lighting you will work with: incandescent, including halogen; fluorescent, high-intensity discharge or HID, and light-emitting diode or LED. Each of these has different strengths, weaknesses, and use cases. You'll learn more about each in upcoming lessons, but for now it's important to understand that they all complete to be better, brighter, more efficient, longer lasting, and more affordable. Here's something else that's important. Lighting technology is constantly evolving. Let me give you an example. Years ago, incandescent bulbs were used in exit signs everywhere. Today, LEDs have taken over because they use less energy and last way longer. Here's another one. Magnetic ballasts were once the standard for fluorescent lights, but now electronic ballasts are more popular because they are smaller, quieter, and more energy efficient. That's why, as a technician, you'll always be learning and staying updated. What's common today might be outdated tomorrow. Even with all this new tech, here's the most important takeaway of all. The best lighting always starts and ends with the customer's needs. Maybe they want to save money. Maybe they want a brighter space. Maybe they want lighting that makes colors pop, like in a clothing store. Your job is to know how to match the right lamp and ballast to their goals. When you're evaluating a lighting system or helping choose or maintain one, here are 6 key things to pay attention to. First is lamp life. How long will the lamp last before it needs to be replaced? This is called its rated service life. Second is lumen output. How much light does the system actually produce? 3 is wattage. How much electric power does it need to operate? 4 is efficiency. How well does a system turn power into light? The more light using less power is a win. 5 is color appearance. Does a lamp give off warm light, cool light, or something in between? This is called color temperature. 6 is color rendering. How accurately does the lamp show colors? This is measured by something called the CRI, or Color Rendering Index. All of these factors help you figure out the right lighting for the right space. Whether it's a warehouse, a school, a hospital, or someone's kitchen, each environment has different lighting needs. As you begin to work in the field, knowing how to identify lamps and ballasts, understand how they work, and compare their performance will make you a better technician. You won't just be replacing burnt-out bulbs. You'll be helping people save money, use less energy, and create better environments through proper lighting. And that's a skill that will always be in demand. Alright, that wraps up our lesson on lamps and ballasts. Keep going. You're doing great. The more you learn, the more valuable you become in the field. Follow me onto the next lesson. Until next time, stay curious, stay safe, and keep lighting the way forward.